In this video, we're going to focus on the word spacing. So if you have seen the other item regarding to letter spacing, where we can control the space between letters individually, there's another one which is word spacing. And if you are very familiar with the align text or text align justify, word spacing is basically related to that, but then instead of justifying, you will also create a certain fixed space that you would like to see. So you can control the space between here as well, besides the justify. The justify will be very flexible, which I would highly recommend to use if you want full width of the full length of the text. But here you have also the word spacing. So let's start and explore here, and we can do this on the paragraph because that will be probably the most interesting one to see. So we say here on the paragraph, I can use here, we're going to use this paragraph here. And then we say here, we say the following. We say here, word spacing. And then within here, we could say here, the fixed amount of pixels. So let's put in here 2 pixels for now. And if I save this, and then refresh, we can see now something happens here. And if I open up the developer tab and we click on one of these items here, we can see we have a word spacing indicator here of 2 pixels. And if I click on this and then I double click on the value here and I put it up or down, you can see now the word spacing is starting to increase. Of course, you still have a hard time to really see it because the justify is still intact, you are in place. So let's remove the justify first, so it will not anymore be active, and it will just focus on the word spacing itself. And if you see this here, you can see here now the item is starting to increase consistently with the amount of pixels between each other, between every word. In this case, it's 30 pixels, which is of course far too big, but quite common. It's maybe like 4 to 5 pixels, that's fine, depending on certain circumstances. Different languages, the different characters might have to use this more often than the standard English or with the standard alphabetic characters languages. However, this can help you with the word spacing, but of course use text align justify if you really want to have a nice way to do it. So where is that? Text align justify. If you do that one, that will be fine. It will help you as well. And of course with the word spacing here extra to be consistent, this is an option as well that you can use. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.